is probably one of my favorite projects I've made in a really long time. So we're gonna start off by using these wooden circles that I used in the other video. Got a couple left over, so I thought this would be a perfect project for this. So I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna trace the crescent moon out onto this.
Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
Now I do plan on staining this, so I need to be very careful not to get glue all over the place. So I'm gonna go like this so it doesn't gush everywhere.
Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now.
Just have to let this dry and then come back to it later. Okay, so here's what it looks like right now. I'm loving the way this is coming together. I am gonna be putting this on the wall, so I'm gonna drill holes in here so that way I can put it into the wall. You could also put like a hanging kit on the back if you didn't want the screws to show. So I'm not too worried about it. So you guys can paint it any color you want, but I'm actually gonna stain this. I'm gonna use dark walnut 2716 by Minwax. When you're working with stain, just remember that a little goes a long way. This is what happens when you put stain on and you have wood glue right there. So I'm gonna have to wait until this dries. I'm gonna have to sand it down and then I'm gonna have to restain that. Or you could just stain it before you do it. I'm impatient and I wanna see what it looks like before I do it. Okay, here it is, you guys. This is probably one of my favorite projects I've made in a really long time. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna put my crystals on here, so it's not gonna have anything too heavy. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like hung up with the crystals on it, and I would love to hear what you guys think down in the comments.
Walls, but they fall down. Diving deeper in the books that we read blind.